Hi guys, today we want to unveil the Boya by M1, Boya BY M1, and we are trying to take this YouTube channel into a new level of course. So with that great output like audio, we wouldn't really be enjoying this YouTube channel. So I had to get this. I'm still expecting my lighting, my condenser microphone, but for now we got the Boya BY M1, and so I'm going to unveil or unbox it and tell you a few things about this great little microphone out there. Stay tuned and watch out. So in this other video, we are using this vlogging kit here. They are, how's the model called? The KTLM05. Okay, so this is the vlogging kit we are using. It has a shotgun microphone, it has a lighting box here, and then the tripod. So this is all we are using to shoot this particular video. The reason why I got this Boya lapel mic is because of the versatility. The Boya mic gives that versatility for you to shoot at ranges. You can move around if you want to, and then because the mic is always attached close to the subject, it gives you that quality of audio that you won't really expect, or you would expect rather. So let's get into this video proper. And so this is from, I got this from China actually. I'm into importation, so I'm just going to show you the various things that are in here. Okay, it came with the manual. I would always say anytime you get any equipment, always do well to read the manual. I've already gone through this manual, so I'll just tell you a few things that are very important. It came with, let me just show you the accessories it came with. So this is number one. This is the windshield to avoid unnecessary noises coming through the microphone. So this is the windshield coming in here, and then the clip that will help you to hold the lapel microphone close to your audio source. Okay, this is the battery that came with it. This battery here, if you're using a smartphone to shoot your video, you will not need to insert this battery to the lapel microphone. That's one of the things you know if you're reading your manual. You will not need to insert the battery to this power box here. This is the power box. Okay, if you screw it like this, the positive will go to the positive end and the negative will go to the negative end. The signs are here. I don't know if you can see it. So those are the things you get if you read manual. If you don't read manual, you just feel that this is a microphone, you can go ahead with it. I don't always encourage that. Okay, so what else do you need to know? There is a warranty card here. You go through that one, and then this is the manual here. So I'm going to quickly install some of the items here and then show you how you go about it. So this is the clip you will need to attach to the lapel microphone here. You just get it attached here. This is it here, and then this is the windscreen. You get the windscreen attached to the microphone so that it will prevent some unavoidable noises. Of course, you can't get rid of all the noises except you're going for a condenser mic. This mic is omnidirectional, so it means that it picks content from all directions. Whereas if you're using a condenser mic is a cardioid mic. It only picks from one direction, or if you switch to the omnidirectional, then it can also speak from all directions. So if you are not using an earpiece, you might not really get the difference or similarity in these microphones. I have now switched this last clip to the lapel microphone, and I wanted to gauge the difference. As you can see, the distance of this mic to my mouth is about 15 to 25 cm. Okay, so I am speaking with the lapel microphone now. I just wanted to guess the difference in the microphone, and then if you should go for it or not. But if you're starting a YouTube channel new, this should be a great addition to your channel. If you're new to this YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, please kindly like and share the content as well. Thank you, that will help us a lot. I love you guys. See you in my next video.